Hi, I'm here. It is the afternoon, just about 4 o'clock, and I'm still fighting cold. You can tell I'm feeling a little bit tired, but I don't want to have a nap. So I'm having some Purple Rain. This is the decaf one, but I think just even the ketones will help pick me up a little bit. So I thought I would have that, and hopefully in the next little bit I'll be able to go pick up my car, and then I will come home and make lunch. I'm gonna probably just have like something really light for lunch. I'm not really sure. Maybe just an egg waffle or something and a slice of cheese. I'm just not, still not feeling the greatest, so when I eat something it's not too heavy. But yeah, so I thought I would pop on. I did have ketones this morning, but I woke up and just kind of wanted to lay in bed until Chris had to go to work, so I didn't have time to film this morning. And yeah, so I had Vanilla Sky this morning. I thought about actually mixing Purple Rain with Vanilla Sky. I think that would be really good. It would be like a vanilla grape flavor, which I think would be really good. But I will try that maybe another day, I think, because I've already made up this one. So but yeah, so anyways, I am gonna go and pick up my car, hopefully fairly quickly. I'm just waiting for a message from Mike, or my mechanic, and well, actually he's not my mechanic. He is the person that sits at the desk at my mechanic. So, but he also helps us sometimes. He's also my downstairs neighbor, so everything's really close. But I have to go to the restaurant, and then they can pick me up from there, and then we'll go and pick up the car. New brakes, new struts, new brake pads, new rotors, new calipers, new, way too much money. But it's fixed now, so that is that. So anyways, I will see you guys when I'm ready to eat, and hopefully I can keep this one down. Let's see. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so it is lunchtime. It's just after 6, like 6:10 I think. And yeah, so I'm having lunch. I'm having a sort of leftover salad. I've got some ground beef, some chicken, baby tomatoes or cherry tomatoes from my friend's garden, some cucumber, a little bit of lettuce, and then some dill in Greek yogurt, and a little bit of mayo for the dressing. And so I'm gonna have this as lunch. I ended up laying down for a little bit, so I feel slightly better. I don't know. My stomach feels better. How's that? And my throat still really hurts, but it is what it is. So yeah, I am going to try and eat this, and maybe sit and rest, watch some TV or something, and then I will be back when we have dinner. I don't know, Chris talked about maybe going to Wendy's if it's not too late. I'm gonna look around here, see if anything intrigues me, and if not, then that's probably what I'll do. But I'll probably just have just a Baconator. I don't know if I'm gonna have the salad. It depends how well this salad sits with me. So anyways, I will see you when we have dinner. Hey guys, so it's still like another 2 hours probably till dinner. if we end up going to Wendy's for supper. And so I think I'm gonna do just a third of a cup of macadamia nuts and one of these good to go bars. I think I'm okay as far as carbs go today, even with the salad. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this or snack on this while I'm working on stuff at my desk. So anyways, I will see you later. Hi guys, sorry I forgot to film this before I started eating it, but I'm just having a Baconator at Wendy's and with lettuce. So that is it. That is all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye bye.